Jane Burnham, and I've just completed the certificate in art and design with the lifelong learning.
I'm Ken Simkin. I've been doing the field ecology course for the last, I think it's about 4 years.
I think it was just this little feeling in the back of my mind that I suddenly had all this time in front of me and time to explore things that I hadn't had while I've been working and bringing up children and all the usual things. Yes, so just a wanting to learn, wanting to further my development as a person, new experiences.
Well, about 5 years ago I took early retirement from teaching. I was wondering sort of what to do with my time. I thought I'd maybe try something new or build on something that I've already done. So I was interested in gardening, I was interested in sort of gardening for wildlife. I came across the ecology courses, which seemed to fit the bill.
I started 5 years ago when I finished work, and yeah, work had been like very full-time, full-on for me, and I hadn't done any art since the age of 12, but I'd always had in the back of my mind that this is what I would like to do, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go, and I really didn't know what to expect at all.
I did a gardening course 10-15 years ago. We just sat in the classroom and learned, names of flowers, where they go, and it was a bit tedious, I found, but with the lifelong learning courses, it's much more hands-on, it's practical, and you can apply it.
Yeah, when I started doing watercolour painting, and I came to the end of one of my classes with Alison, and I think she said to me, "You're hooked now, aren't you?" And I thought, yes, I am.
Informal, friendly, relaxed.
Anxiety, trepidation at the beginning, followed by a sense of achievement, and then a complete addiction. It seems to me such a pity that there aren't more people who take up this opportunity, because you just don't know where it's going to lead. It's a new experience, and I think that's one of the things, especially when you're at my age. This is what we need to keep us alive, new experiences. So just go for it, because you don't know where it's going to go.
But the main thing I wish I'd known is probably how addictive these courses can be.
Whatever your reservations, go for it. People often say, "Oh, they're expensive, I can't afford it." But to me, they're just tremendous value for money. We're so lucky in Aberystwyth to have these classes here, and I think looking back now over the 5 years, I'm just amazed at what I've achieved. It's been a really, really rewarding experience that I just couldn't have envisaged.